shit. It already got it. That shit was quick. It got right up to the motherfucker face and then squished him. So he pissing himself and everything.
Oh my god. A snake.
Kids, you shouldn't be watching this. It's traumatizing and shit.
Hey, you like a snake. He's a little sick kid.
The snake.
Yeah.
Get out.
Look at his balls coming out and shit. You see this?
His balls are gonna be exploding.
Gotta make
Sweet in that joint. Ooh.
Wait, I'm ready.
Yeah, get away with it.
What is reaction? That's a good YouTube video.
YouTube, right?
Nah, that's definitely ain't. Oh, that's
Nah,
not.
you can do that. I did that with the 11-foot snake we had.
What?
Feeding it big ass
No,
rat.
what I'm saying with the kids.
Oh yeah, it's just true.
Look, he wants to keep looking at it though.
Well, this kid is 8 years old, so we're good.
Snake. Get out. He's gonna go in the bedroom. We're not die.
Mickey Mouse died.
Oh, I'll come back and see it. I'll on video.
Mickey Mouse stuck in the mouse. Mickey Mouse is stuck in the snake.
Mickey Mouse is stuck in the
Mama, get out. Mama, get Monkey out there. Oh no. Right, get the mouse. Is stuck in here.
He's dead.
My God, you gotta get out then.
He's dead.
Get out of it.
Siri, it's a dinosaur.
Where's Monkey Dinosaur?
Like it was a dinosaur.
It's dead now.
Matt.
Mickey Mouse is gone.
Oh no, he's stuck in there.
Get him out.
Oh, he's done. Look, he's not even moving anymore.
Oh no.
Got a nice little choke again, probably. He got it on a death grip.
Get out. Get
That
out
shit
now.
He's a motherfucker. I think that's the fastest time I've seen him
Out.
take a snake.
Monkey Dinosaur. Please.
Look, Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse stuck in
Look,
there.
Mickey Mouse is stuck in there. Look.
That's not Mickey Mouse.
Look.
That's just a regular mouse.
Twitter was hitting the fucking thing with the dinosaur trying to get him out.